Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my small but awesome Walmart Ibotta haul. Now this could turn out to be a moneymaker for you if you have any weekly or weekend bonuses. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and let me know if this video was helpful. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys. Alright, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so here is my quick Ibotta Walmart haul. Now, I was trying to get a midweek bonus where when you redeem 9 rebates, you get back $3. However, I came up a few short. I did pick up some grocery items while I was there as well. However, I was counting each of these as a rebate. Now, one little quick tip, just so you don't make the same mistake I did. When you're counting up for your weekly bonuses, you want to count this as one rebate because you're redeeming, you're getting the rebate on the same item. So it doesn't count as 2, it will only count as 1. Even though you get the money back for both items, it will only count as 1. So just keep that in mind when you're doing Ibotta deals. Now, also, all of these coupons that I used were out of the July P&G insert and the 6/28 Retail Me Not. So that's all of the Schwab coupons were out of the Retail Me Not. The Tide and the Gain were out of this month's P&G. So I picked up the Gain Flings for $3.94. I used a $2 off P&G coupon, paid $1.94 out of pocket, got back a $2 rebate from Ibotta, making that completely free, plus a little bit of a moneymaker. I picked up the Tide Pods. They were $4.94. I used a $2 P&G coupon, paid $2.94 out of pocket, got back a $2 rebate there. These Schwab lotions, these are the 10 ounce. These were $1.67. I had a $1 off one coupon from the Retail Me Not, paid 67 cents out of pocket, and got back a $1 rebate on Ibotta. And I did that deal 3 times. There is a limit of 3 on Ibotta. However, this next thing on the Schwab deodorant, I picked up 2 of these for $1.72 at a 50-cent off of one coupon from the Retail Me Not, and paid $1.22 out of pocket and got back a 75-cent rebate. Now, I was going to try to do this deal 3 times as well because there was a limit of 3. However, the coupons didn't attach to this deodorant. I don't know if it's because this is a new scent, Everlasting Sunshine, or not. I've never had this issue before with the Schwab coupons. So I had to go up to customer service and she had to fix that for me. Now, when she was reading the coupons, it said a limit of 1 per purchase. So if you're new to couponing, that means for each deodorant that you purchase, you can use a coupon on. However, it said limit of 2 per day. So I could only use 2 coupons that day. 2 alike coupons. So I can only use 2 of the deodorant coupons. So just keep that in mind. There is a limit of 3 on the Schwab lotion and the deodorant. So I just had her take that off the transaction and I used that coupon for a different day. Alright, so I also got back a any item laundry rebate that was 10 cents, and I got the Schwab bonus. When you get 2 participating items, you get back an extra 50 cents. So my total out of pocket for all the items that you see here was $9.33. The total rebate that I got back was $9.10. Final price 23 cents for 7 items, which is amazing, making each item here just 3 cents. Now, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, you need to go do so. Make sure you're checking your accounts and adding those rebate deals before you go into the store, because they've added some new fine print that says, you know, you have to, the rebate has to be added before you go in store and shop. So if you get home and you see your, you know, you've got your receipt and you're like, oh, there's a new rebate on here, I'm going to click that. Sometimes that won't work. Not all the rebates are like that, but just keep that in mind. I like to check mine before I go into the store just to, you know, kind of scan through. That way, whenever I get home, I know what to expect when I scan my receipt. Also, if you're not signed up, I do have a video on how to sign up and use Ibotta. It's really simple, walks you straight through the whole process, and kind of goes through how to use it as well. And also my referral code will be linked down in the description box below. If you guys have any questions or comments on anything, I love hearing from you guys. Just leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. I'm going to go work on some Walgreens deals for next week. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.